Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson, Technology in the Classroom. Do you want to create engaging video lessons? If your answer is yes, I have the right technology for you today. It is called EDpuzzle. EDpuzzle is an amazing technology that you can use to edit video. You can take any video and add questions to it. The video pauses at certain points for the students to answer the questions. Students must answer the questions before continuing to watch the video. So, how can you get access to this exciting technology? We need to go to the website. So here I am at the website. It is edpuzzle.com. And you will need to sign up. I've already signed up. And here I have my curriculum, my school's name, and some content available. You can search for videos that are available. You can click here and type in the search keywords and you can find videos. Here I have some options based on my search history. So I usually search for general education topics. So those are some options and there are many videos available. So I'll just click on one video. Okay. And from here we can watch the video and see if it is appropriate for us. You can edit the video. I'll just click on edit right here. Okay. And these are some options you have. I'd like to create a quiz, so I'll click on quizzes. Okay. I can play the video. Okay. Notice when you click on quiz, you will see this green icon on the screen. So you can, okay, and you can pause and you can add a question by clicking on this question mark right here. So you can add open-ended questions, you can add multiple choice questions, or you can make a comment. So let me add multiple choice question. For example, who is in the photo? Okay, and you give options. So this tick right here, the green tick, it means the correct answer. So please put the correct answer in this box right here. So let's say the speaker's friend, that is the correct answer. And you can give options, so multiple choice, so give an incorrect option. The speaker's mother, for example, and you can add more incorrect answers and then you just click save. So you will have a question right here and you can continue. You can continue listening, and if you want to add more questions, you repeat the steps. Click on this icon, question icon, and then add your questions. And then when you're finished, you can click save or finish. Good. And then you can go back and you can see your videos. In my content, you can see your videos saved right here. Now, if you don't, okay. So if you don't want to make your own video, you can search for videos with quizzes already made for them. So here are some options below, similar videos. I'll just click on this one. Let's see what this is about. So why do we have seasons? And if you look here, you will see that to the right hand side, you'll see that there are 3 multiple choice questions for this video. You can click play. You can see one question. Sorry. Okay, so one question is at 46 seconds. So the students would watch the video and then answer the questions. So we're at 43 seconds, so a question will pop up very soon. So notice the video pauses, and here is a multiple choice question. So the students will read and select the correct answer. Let's say we select this answer, submit, okay, and then, okay, so this is the correct answer. You can choose rewatch the video, or you can choose continue, and you move on to the next question. Now, this is a very easy tool for you to use. You will need to ask your students to sign up and log on to this website to gain access to the videos that you create and save for the students. You will be able to monitor the progress of the students, so you can see exactly which students have watched the videos and the scores that they have received, so you can know if the students understood the video or not. This is a great way for students to practice their English listening skills. So if you are an ESL teacher, please try using this website. It's a great technology for students to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to check out this content. That's all for today. I'll see you another time. Thank you.